It's Poppin' Cooking. This is the Poppin' Cooking sushi. Now let's see what's inside now. Just a little bag. Alright, let's open it now. I need the bag. Wow. So, gosh. It's like pancake opener. And here. This smells good. Well, kind of bad though. And here we have these are all the weird stuff. I don't know how to use. Oh, I like this one. Oh, we have a squishy squash. Okay, I got it. Let's see which is. I got it. Mom, what does this have to be for? Let's see. Look at this. This is a bottle, tiny bottle. Tiny bottle. This is to stick up the things and then put them in here, I guess. Yeah. Exactly this. And this thing is actually shows that. Yeah. Now we're gonna fill the water to the line. Cause you're squirting now.
Oh, okay. First squish it, and then let it go while it's in the water. Okay, go ahead.
Alright, now we're gonna dip it here.
More?
Pop. And the right end. This one looks kind of cool. One more. Okay, now it's gonna be so good with it, Grandpa. Okay. Today, Grandpa. Mommy, wait. I'll Grandpa on there.
We're making a video. And Grandma can see it, okay? Yeah, but it's not Skype.
There we go. We're done now. Well, you might not actually see it really, but this is the sugar. Well,
the white one, right? It's gonna be the fake rice.
It's gonna make it the fake rice. Can you open it?
Yeah. Can you? Do you need scissors?
Yeah. Wait. Yep. Wow. Someone's doing the sugar. Wait. Never mind. How much do we dip?
Go ahead and put the whole thing in there.
Put the whole thing in there. Dip all?
Yeah, but make sure it just gets on that section. Right in the water. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
The whole thing.
Go ahead. Oh. You milk them?
Mix it. Carefully, don't dump it outside of the thing, okay?
It's already boiled.
Okay. So you gotta mix it up because it has to be mushy.
And then can I mix it? Let me. And then can I do the orange and this?
You wanna learn how to make it less dusty. That way when Sophia mixes it, it won't fall out of there.
Alright, I got it. Yes, I'll take care of all of this. This thing looks so cool. It can. A pencil. Mom, what is this? Mom, what is this thing?
That's like the seaweed.
Seaweed? Now we're gonna make 7 little rice balls. Yeah. That was kind of fast. One. What do we put this? One. Yeah, put some more in that. 2. Keep on looking. 2. I'll make this.
Hello?
Yeah. A little bit
No, just that one time.
A little bit wet. 4.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
That much.
Okay, bye.
5. 4.
Yeah.
Oh, Alana, Sophia's taking more. Sophia, we need some. That's not how you're supposed to do it.
Do you want me
It's
to
like
see?
little
Let me look
balls.
online if I can, and I'll see how much it would be.
We need some, Sophia.
Okay.
This one's too little. We need some of that, okay?
I see.
You
I
can't
have.
take the whole thing. Take out the... Guys, what's wrong with you? Take out the hair. Take it. Can't play with it. Add that with the ball. Want some more? Yeah, a little bit more. There. What do you do? 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7 little rings.
Okay.
Hold on. We gotta make them a little bit big,
Bye.
okay? Because there's still some
Yeah,
more.
I'll see. Bye.
Sophia's playing with these little rice.
It's okay. You should just give her a piece that she could take.
Oh, she could take this part. Yeah, we don't need that. Wait, just take a little. Hold on. I'm gonna fill up the one that looks like this line and make it a line. No, you're gonna put the yellow, whatever it's called, into the yellow. And into the bacon line. To the bacon line, it's gonna be the parting. Now take the other piece. We'll just fill up the whole thing, but it's gonna make sure it doesn't go all today.
That good?
And there it mixes. There it is. Now, time to open this. Let's see if I can open it first. Okay, now I'm going to open it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the part where you open it. Thank you. Smells good. Hey, are you opening things? No, not.
It's right in there.
Now we put the yellow powder. Put the whole thing.
No, it's squishing up.
Oh, we're gonna need this, yeah, okay? Okay. Time to mix now. Okay, my turn. And here, when we mix it, it turns yellow. You mean yellower. When we mix it more. My turn. My turn, Mama. Okay, it's my turn now. Oh, Sophia, the next color, we need that one. Here, can you... Hold on. Oh, wait, yeah, keep that.
Don't open it yet.
We're gonna need it. There. Now, we got it. Hold on, let me see. We're gonna fill the next one now. The one that kind of looks like... maybe a rainbow bar, I guess. Alright, now, time for
A little more water.
a little powder. Big! Let's spill this. Spill this. Open it. So we don't put it on the next one. I guess that's it. Now we're gonna mix it. Where's the mixing thing? Oh, yeah?
Let's wash it.
We were just mixing a little bit. Oh, that's like wow. Almost finished. Don't like that too. Don't like that. That's stinky. That's stinky. Stop touching. Looks like there's not enough anyway. Little ball? Mama, a little ball. I make it.
Ooh.
And then we scratch it with it. Now we're going to do A. Put water. It's water, John. You have to make it liquid water. Another E. Okay? And then we're going to make a petrol butter cake for you.
I think just a little more. More?
After we're done with this, we can play it. I think he needs a little bit more.
Yeah, I'll help you.
Well, we're mixing A. Now, wait! Oh gosh, what's wrong with it? All right. Now we're just going to put a little water. We're just gonna fill the whole thing.
I think just a little more.
Yeah. Hello, Mama. That's it.
A little more.
Just a tiny bit. There, that's it. That should be it. Just 1 minute more, gosh. I mean. You took it all out. You always get so distracted. That should be it. Now it's done. Now it's done. Now we're gonna put the orange. The orange one? Do we? I don't know. Do we put the orange one, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I want to do the orange one by myself. Alright. Pick that up. Yes, it's like Where's that pot? Now we're gonna make the little red ball. You mean one? Yeah. Got it.
Take some more.
Look at me. Look at it. Stop heading into the water. I'm gonna make some more balls now. Johnny, I just don't open. Got it. Johnny, let go. Oh my God, that's cool. That's perfect. Want to do it by yourself? Johnny, don't spin me, okay? Johnny, don't spin me. Johnny, I said don't. Johnny, don't spin me, okay?